Walking into a meeting feeling nervous can make even confident ideas come across shaky. But a few quick affirmations can help you stand tall and own the room. One simple way to prep is by generating quick confidence boosters with ChatGPT. And I like to save them in Google Docs so I can easily reference them before meetings. I just type this prompt into ChatGPT. List 5 quick confidence boosting affirmations I can say before a meeting. You can pause and copy the prompt, then run it yourself and save the output in Google Docs or Notes, whichever you prefer. This gives you ready to use affirmations to practice before every meeting. This works immediately for a quick boost, but lasting confidence comes from consistently building it into your daily habits. That's what the Confidence Challenge teaches. A complete 5 step method to permanently rewire your confidence, not just in the moment. Plus, you also get email and ad templates to launch with, and 30 days of power and purpose so you can apply confidence in real world situations while reinforcing it daily. It's just $7 to start, beginner friendly, and you can begin today. Click the link below and start walking into meetings with real, unshakable confidence.